Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Well, today I'm going to show you all how to prepare the famous Chowmein noodles, which is basically a Chinese stir-fry noodles prepared with fine noodles, vegetables and chicken. This is really famous in India and Nepal. So in this video, I have explained how to make this step by step. So let's get started.
So I've taken 150 gram of chicken breast and I've washed it and I've cut it into strips like this. So the method I'm going to use to marinate the chicken is known as velveting the chicken. So I'll add the chicken strips in a bowl. You can alter the quantity as per your requirement. Now I'll be adding some salt. One tablespoon soya sauce. 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. 1 whole egg. And I made a mixture of 2 tablespoons corn flour and 1 tablespoon all-purpose flour, and I'll add to the bowl. I've used the velveting process in my previous videos also to make the chicken nice and tender, and velveting includes egg and corn flour, which actually locks in the moisture in the chicken and makes it nice and crispy from outside and juicy from inside. So I'll mix this really well, all the ingredients, so it coats the chicken really nicely. The chicken is coated now nicely. I'll cover this and let it rest in the fridge for about a couple of hours. So guys, the chicken is now nicely marinated. So now it's time to fry them. I've taken some oil in the pan and heated it. So we'll be deep frying the chicken pieces. Put it in the oil. Don't keep the flame too high, keep it on medium low, so you can you can ensure the chicken is crispy from outside and is cooked inside, and also it doesn't burn. So don't keep your flame too high. Let this chicken fry for nice 6 to 7 minutes and until nice crispy golden brown. So guys, you can see the chicken is nice golden brown and it's floating on top, means the chicken is cooked. So let's remove it off in a plate. You can see it's nicely coated well also, and it looks nice and crispy. So I'll now fry the rest of the chicken strips. So let's check out how the chicken is from inside. Let's see it. See, it's nice and tender from inside and not at all hard, but it's crispy from outside. So this is how you want your chicken to be. As you can see that the chicken is now fried, and now I'll shred it further with a knife to make it more fine. So it will go well with the noodles. You cannot put such big pieces, so you need to cut it into nice fine pieces. So as you can see, I've taken fine egg noodles. I found this in the supermarket, and it's very rare to find these fine noodles because usually you'll get the normal one, which is like the Hakka noodles, which you use for Chinese. And you need to identify the difference between the both, because you really need fine noodles to enjoy your chow mein, and it's very necessary. So you can find this in the supermarket. I've brought this from online from Noon, and it's available in many supermarkets and hypermarkets. You need to check it out. So always ensure it is this fine and nice, so you get the perfect noodles for your chow mein. So I've taken these veggies and I have finely sliced it, especially the carrots, capsicum, and I've used some beans. You can use vegetables as per your choice. You can add some cabbage or some bok choy. So, and these are some spring onions as well. You can be really creative with the vegetables. You need to finely slice them just like the noodles, like this. And let's move to the next step, is boiling the noodles. As you can see, I've roughly chopped the chicken pieces much smaller like this, and it will go really well with the noodles. So time to cook the noodles. So I'll pre-cook the noodles, but for this I need the water to be boiling hot.
because if you add the noodles in cold water and wait for the water to boil, the noodles will become soggy and mushy and you won't enjoy it. So to keep it intact, I will first boil the water. In that process, I'll be adding some salt for taste, so it's absorbed by the noodles. Then I'll add in some oil so that the noodles don't stick. Once the water is boiling for a minute, time to add the noodles. So I'll add the noodles in this. I'll cover it and let it cook for about 2 minutes. So guys, let's check the noodles. Use a fork to separate the noodles like this, and be very careful, it should not overcook, otherwise it will become soggy. So it's almost 3 minutes, and now it's time to remove the noodles from heat and drain off excess water. So I've drained off the excess water in a colander, and now you can see it's not overcooked, it's nice and free. I'll use the same pan to fry some egg. You can be really creative with this. You can add also shrimps or anything as per your choice. I'll be adding egg. I've added some oil in the pan, and let's add the egg. I've whisked the egg before with some salt. Continuously stir this. The egg is now done, and I'll remove it off in a bowl. Now I'll show you all how to prepare some Chowmein sauce. I'll be adding 1/4 cup of chicken stock. To this I'll be adding 2 tablespoons soya sauce, 1 teaspoon oyster sauce. If you don't have oyster sauce, it can be fish sauce also, but if you don't have both, you can do without it. The oyster sauce will give an extra flavor for your Chowmein. Then I'll be adding some pepper powder and some cornflour. So the cornflour will ensure that the flavoring stick to the noodles. And now I'll mix this really well. So as you can see, the Chowmein sauce is ready. So it's really basic, not much of ingredients, and please do not add vinegar in this because it will completely change the taste of the Chowmein noodles. Usually the Chowmein will be good and if it's cooked in a wok, but if you don't have that, like me, I'll be using a big deep vessel. I'll add enough oil. So this is the last and final step that we'll be making the noodles. So add enough oil because you'll be frying the veggies, and this will be the oil, you know, to coat the noodles as well. So be very generous. I've taken 2 cloves garlic and I've finely chopped it, and it's time to add it in the pan. It's also time to add the cut vegetables. Spring onion. So as you can see, I've taken the bottom part, the stalk of the spring onion, and I'll be using it while frying the other vegetables. Whereas the leaves I'll be using to garnish the Chowmein noodles. Let's add the capsicum and the carrots. Let's saute the veggies really well. It already smells heavenly because the combination of capsicum and onions give out a really good flavor. Time to add some salt in this just to season it, and it just gets cooked faster. but I am only planning to saute this and not cook this entirely because you want your veggies to be crunchy. Cover it and let it cook for about a minute. It's almost 1 minute. Let's stir in the veggies. So as I said before, you can use a combination of the vegetables. Time to add in my chicken and egg and mix this very well. To this I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of pepper. Time to add in the noodles. Also you can add some salt as per taste. So but be very careful because you have already added the salt before. Add a little more if you feel it's less towards the end, but it's always to have less salt than more salt in your food. And time to add the sauce. Don't add the entire sauce, just look at how much you require and just add it accordingly. You don't want your chow mein noodles to be soggy, and keep it on a very high flame while doing this. And now time to mix the noodles completely. So as you can see, it has got a really amazing color. Mix it really well. Use both spatulas to do this, so it's easier for you to mix the noodles. Now I'll let this cook with the lid covered for about 1 minute on high flame. So guys, it's almost a minute. I'll garnish it with some spring onion and let's mix it. This cooks really amazing. Let's switch off and it's ready to be served. So I hope you all enjoyed watching the video guys. Please do like and subscribe to our channel. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter and show us your love. We'll see you next time guys.